Hey guys, Speedcube Enthusiast here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube using a method called Ortega or Variasano. Let's get into it. Okay, now I'm going to go over the 7 different OLL algorithms that you'll need to know for the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. The majority of these are similar to the 3x3 two-leg algorithms, but on the 3x3 you can use wide R moves, and on the 2x2 you can't. And so I had to learn some new algorithms for these, which kind of sucked, but you get used to them. They're very easy once you learn them. So let's get into it. Okay, so starting off with the most basic case that you already know, it is the classic Soon algorithm. It's the exact same algorithm as the 3x3. It's where you have one yellow sticker on top, one facing you, and you do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And it's solved. Okay, you guys knew this was coming. This is the exact inverse of that algorithm, and it is called an anti-Soon, and I taught this in the 3x3 tutorial, but just as a recap, you have the yellow sticker facing in the back left, and the sticker facing towards you, but this time, instead of it being in the the top right here, it is in the top left. So you're going to, for this algorithm, you're going to do R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R, and it's solved. Okay, so now getting on to some of the different OLLs. So for this OLL, basically you have 2 stickers in the top right hand side and then 2 facing you. It is the exact same as this case, this OLL case on the 3x3, where there are 2 in the front left and right, and then 2 in the top back, I guess. So but this algorithm that I taught in my 3x3 tutorial for OLL is not actually super efficient for the 2x2, and there's actually a much simpler algorithm you can use for this. And what you're going to want to do is hold it so these 2 bars are facing this way, and then you want to have the headlights pointing towards the left. So for this, it's literally just F, sexy move F prime. So you just do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, and it's solved. Okay, so now another OLL case. This case, where basically you have these 2 bars across from each other, and then this in the front, this yellow sticker in the front right, and it's the exact same as this on a 3x3. And as you know, on a 3x3 you do this case to solve it, but on the 2x2 you use a different algorithm, and it goes F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, FR. So it's basically F prime and then sexy move and then R prime, FR. So yeah, that's how you do that case. Okay, so now we are on to the second to last OLL, and as all the other OLL cases are, it matches the exact same case in the 3x3, where you have this bar here on the top right, and then you have these 2 pieces sticking out like that. So on the 3x3, obviously you can't use the same alg on the 2x2 because I use a wide R move, and it looks like that. But it is actually kind of similar to the one on the 2x2, and the one on the 2x2 is actually really similar. And it's actually really easy because it's literally just triggers. And if you don't know what triggers are any set of moves that are like sexy moves, sledgehammers, where it's basically just like it's like a 4-move insert kind of. That's the best way I can explain it, but yeah, so this algorithm is extremely easy if you already know what a sledgehammer is and a sexy move is. So what you're gonna do for this is R prime U prime, which is a sexy move, and then right after that you do sledgehammer, and I do sledgehammers like this. So you turn it like this and then do R prime F R F prime. So yeah, it's actually really fun, and that's how you do that case. Okay, finally, now on to the last OLL case. This case is actually not hard at all. I don't know why it took me so long to learn it, but yeah, I don't really know what this case would be on the 3x3, but I guess it would just be the F triple sexy F prime, but I don't know. I feel like the algo on the 2x2 is actually easier than that. It's literally goes like this. It's just R2 U2 R prime U2 R2. So it looks like this. I think it's faster than F triple sexy, even though it works on the 3x3. But yeah, guys, that is all the OLL cases for the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Yeah, now let's go on to PBL. Okay, so now I'm going to go over two of the most basic PBL algorithms, which these are already layer by layer cases, but you might as well know them. So basically, for this case, you could do a lot of different things for this, but you can do a F perm, a V perm, a Y perm. I used to do a Y perm, but I kind of switched to F perms just because I prefer them. But yeah, that's a really easy case. And then the other one actually looks like this. You should know these two already, but I'm just briefly going over them just in case you forgot. Is this one where you have these two bars on this side, and this is a layer by layer case because everything's matched up on the white side on the bottom down here. So for this you can do a variety of things. You can do either of the J perms, you can do a T perm, you can probably do a R perm. Yep, you can do R perm. So yeah, there's a variety of options. I generally use a T perm just because that's my fastest alg. But yeah, those are the two easiest PBLs, and I'm going to go over the other three that you can get next. Okay, so this algorithm, this is one of the easiest PBL cases you can ever get, and don't get confused if it looks like this, because it means the exact same thing as this, or this, or this, and I'm going to explain it right now. So basically, this case is very easy to see what algorithm to use, because basically there's no bars. For every other PBL case, there's always bars on the side, obviously not the top or bottom, because those are supposed to be solved in the first two steps. But yeah, there's no bars at all. So this is the easiest PBL case, and literally all you do is R2 F2 R2. And a cool finger trick you can do is, or not finger trick, but you have to do a couple regrips if you do R2 F2 to R2 like that. So you can hold it like this and go R2 F2 R2, and it's much more efficient. So yeah, that's how you do that case. Okay, so this PBL case is actually kind of annoying because it's hard to spot, but it's basically where you have a bar and it is on the bottom, and it's obviously after you've done the first side and the OLL already. So my friend actually taught me this algorithm at Cubing USA Nationals, and it's similar to a square one algorithm. If you know how to solve square one, this will be extremely easy for you. But you basically put the bar on the left hand side and hold it so this side's in front of you and it's on the left over here, and you go R2U prime, R2U, R2U prime, R2U, R2. and it's awkward at first, but basically you want to use this finger trick where you kind of push it like this, or if you know this one, you can do that. There's a lot of ways you can do it. I'm actually not super fast at it, but it's the best algorithm I've found for it, and yeah, feel free to use it. Okay, so now for another PBL case. This one is actually super similar to the last one because it is the exact inverse of that. Instead of having the bars on the bottom side, they are actually on the top this time. So this is actually one of the fastest PBLs I can do because it flows nice. So you just want to have the bars facing in front of you, and the algorithm goes R, U prime, R, F2, R, U, R prime. So fast looks like this. Yep, that's basically how you do it. Hey guys, I completely forgot about this PBL case while I was recording, so I actually came back to record it now. And it is where you have these two bars, one in the front, one on the top and one on the bottom, and it looks like this. You basically hold it so they're in front of you, and you do this algorithm: R2 U prime, B2 U2, R2 U prime, R2, and that solves it. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'm just gonna show some example solves at the end to show you guys that you can easily get around 4 to 5 or 6 second averages depending on how skilled you are, and with practice you can easily get down to like a 5 average, which is where I'm around right now. But yeah, this is personally my favorite method. Later on I might try to learn other more advanced methods such as CLL, or I might even progress to EG1 or 2. But yeah, for now I'm sticking with Ortega. I got a 6 second official average at Cubing USA Nationals with this, so I'm pretty happy with that because it was only my second competition and I wasn't super familiar with Ortega. But yeah, it proves that you can learn it very quickly, and if you actually go ahead and take the time to practice 2x2, you can easily get down to 5 seconds with Ortega. So have fun. If you liked my video, I would appreciate it if you guys would like and subscribe and share with your friends. And yeah, hope you all have a good day. Peace. I'm out.